Clay has many benefits for our natural hair. If you want to know how you can prepare your DIY clay from clay molds like this called Shere or Ayilo in Ghana, then please keep watching this video. It's now time to start preparing our DIY clay. I'm going to show you two methods in this video, but in all, you will have to start grinding your clay. After grinding it as much as I can, I'll now transfer it into my bowls. I guess you've noticed that one has been grinded much better than the other one. That's because I'm going to strain that one. I'll strain it till I get a powdery clay. The strainer does not help me to get a very smooth, fine powder, so I'm going to further use a cheesecloth. The cheesecloth helps me to get a very smooth and fine powdery clay. It's just that the cheesecloth takes a lot of time. So this is how I got my powdery clay. Now onto the clay in the yellow bowl. I'm going to mix it with warm water. After pouring the warm water into it, you would see it foaming a little bit, or you hear some sound coming from it. It's normal. Yeah, it's normal. So mix it to make sure that the clay is able to dissolve in the water. I'll add more water to it because I feel the water is not enough. I'll then stir it with a plastic spoon. After that, I'll cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now onto the other bowl, I'm going to also mix it with warm water. In one of my previous videos, I did a video on bentonite clay and I mixed it with a metallic spoon, which was wrong. I didn't know by then, so I've now learned it. And I also noticed that using this one on my hair was much more better than the other one. My hair felt much more moisturized than the other one. Yeah, so you don't have to use a plastic bowl or spoon or a wooden bowl or spoon to prepare your clay. Now after this one is ready, but it seems because I didn't really grind it, the big ones were not able to dissolve well. Yeah, so I'm going to transfer it to my cheesecloth and then I'll squeeze the clay out to get my marks. I really love the way it felt like it was very smooth. So you can choose which of the methods is convenient for you. Which one do you think you like best? Please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to know if you try the bentonite clay on your hair. Sometimes when I want to get a break from shampooing, I use bentonite clay and it does a perfect job. So after I applied it to my hair, this is how my hair looks like. I did a video, as I said earlier. You can check the description box below for a link to that video. I showed you how to apply it to your hair. This is how my hair looks like after the clay has been washed out of my hair.
My hair felt so soft, it was moisturized, my scalp was clean, and my curls were really popping. I guess you can see it, guys. That is the end of this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with all your friends, and also subscribe if you are new here, if you haven't subscribed yet. Enjoy the rest of your day or your evening, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.